pretty. Southwest style beef and black beans with sauce. Hot water. $260 calories. Oh yeah, that's nice and hot. Unfortunately, accessory packet did not come with the tiny little Tabasco. Rumor was it was discontinued, and then out of this same case of this MRE menu 24, I don't know what the inspection date is. My homie grabbed one that did have the tiny little Tabasco, so that was pretty cool. There's hope. But for me, what did I get? Bill's Brew, non-dairy creamer, sugar, Splenda, moist towelette, toilet paper, I believe packaged proudly by the blind, yes, salt, poop gum, no hot sauce, no hot peppers, Southwest style beef and black beans. I don't know, I feel like I got gypped on that one a little bit. Ooh, it's an osprey. Like every MRE ever, it looks so appetizing. Holy cow. I hope it tastes better than it looks. It is warm though. I'll let that MRE heater go until it stops sizzling. I didn't feel like eating this cold. Sun's not out today, so it's kind of chilly. Not too shabby. It also came with chipotle tortillas. I'm not even gonna try to put this in this, because then I will wear this, and I don't want that. Not bad. This is a good chill spot. Out of the wind. Right at the confluence of two rivers. The boat and the bank, maybe 15 meters. There's a shield of beech trees along the bank that conceals the spot I'm sitting in. Behind me is a nice hill. Gully to my right. Steep bank and hill to my left. No trails nearby. Some dogs. Some dogs hopping around upstream. This would be a good spot. Do a trot line maybe. Definitely some jogging. There's some structure off the point. There's a couple little tributary streams that dump into the same area too. So I guess there's some opportunity for some sunfish. This isn't bad, especially when you're hungry. Wow, that hit the spot pretty well. Thank you, Army. These things are convenient. They are a little heavy, but I mean, you can literally just pop a squat and rip the bag open and start eating. You don't have to heat anything. It's better to heat it. I feel it's much more palatable. Also came with peanut butter spread. I mean, not even jalapeno cheese. That's right, I said jalapeno cheese, not jalapeno cheese. I'm a civilian. Peanut butter jelly time! Applesauce pound cake. Ooh. Dude, this has more calories than that thing that I just ate. Southwest style beef and black beans with sauce. That entire pouch, 260 calories. The applesauce pound cake, 290. Whammy. Ooh, cherry blueberry cobbler. That just feels interesting. I'm not sure if I want to try that one right now. Might save that for a little bit. That cloud looks a little dark over there. Sorry, y'all. ADHD. Whoa. If more people like me doing crazy shit like this, then I can do this live, which I would much prefer to do, to reach an audience of people who would like to explore with me in crazy places and do crazy things. Yeah, coffee. All right. I think I'm gonna clean up here and do a time check. Get the fishing pole ready to go. See if I can capture me an aquatic creature.